Today, I'm in this gorgeous house down here in Lincoln that you're absolutely gonna love. It's just a few years old, has beautiful finishing touches, and they have done some amazing things. Let's go check it out. All right, you guys are gonna absolutely love this beautiful entryway. And the decor and decorating in this house is just amazing. So let's cruise through. You got this nice entry. So on the left here, you've got the half bath and laundry room, which is nice. The seller is willing to sell all the furnishings in here. Most of it is brand new. So we've got an absolutely stunning setting in here and beautiful open floor plan. You've got your sprinkler systems in this home, so which is nice. And you've got a complete, amazing location for just everything that you wanted to put on all these cupboards and things on it. So and down here you got the oversized garage with lots of storage, a nice pantry, and beautiful appliances with a 5-burner stove. And the outside here is absolutely stunning as well. The sun is just going down, so you can see it's a beautiful neighborhood. They've got this nice little covered area. They got some astroturf here that they put in with very drought-resistant plants. And we've got an amazing little covered area there. So let's go back in and check out the other bedrooms. All right, so what we've got, that is the living room. And so if you come right over here to the right, and so we've got the main bedroom over here. And you've got all these shutters too, the plantation shutters throughout the whole entire house, and just pottery barn, perfect setup. Got a beautiful barn door right there. There's your realtor, Eric. You've got a nice soaking tub here, double sinks, shower, nice little features here on that. Closet, and a large walk-in closet for all your clothes. And just a beautiful setting in there. So what's really cool about this is you got your kind of your privacy on this side with your main bedroom, kitchen area right here. Then as you come down here, you have that half bath laundry on my right. And then what's really cool is then you've got all this other space in here. So you got your full bath here with a shower over tub, nice backsplash, lots of good extras. The efficiency on this is phenomenal. Their electricity bills are very minimal. So you kind of have this extra office slash, could be an additional bedroom if you want to put closets back here, and then you put a doorway right here. So you have a bedroom there. You got 2 more bedrooms on this side, overlooking the front of the street. All the shutters that you would ever want on every single window, and a really cool room there. And this is a gorgeous house. I'd love to show you. So if you'd like to see this one or any others, feel free to reach out to me and like these videos, and I'll keep sending some more. Take care.